Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix zoom feature in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Okay, so what I mean with this fix of the zoom, as you can see right now I'm pointing in this plan in front of me and I cannot go, okay right now I can, but in the most cases when this macro mode is turned on you can only go for the 5x. When you try to zoom in closer you just cannot make it. So you just have to turn off this macro mode and after that you will unlock the full zoom of your phone. So actually we can make like 30x zoom feature. Take a look. Oh my god. One more time. As you can see, there it is. As you can see, we are on the 30x. But when you are in this macro mode, you can only go for the 5x. And if you want to turn it off, you can also go right here for this option. And here we can turn it off. You can just simply get rid of that and do not turn it on automatically. After that, you will always be with this 30x zoom feature. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's how you can fix this problem with your Pixel 7 Pro and limited zoom range. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.